Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this one, I am using the March Good Life collection from Pixel Scrapper. And for this collection, it was the first one that I actually made Traveler's Notebook sheets that were designed specifically for the Traveler's Notebook as well as a few other sizes. So that's where the page on the right side that says Life is Sweet comes from. It's been specifically designed to print out and to go in your Traveler's Notebook, or I have a few other small sizes, 3x8, passport, and a few other sizes, so you can check that out. I think I'll be probably using more of these in the future just because I hate coming up with a title. I hate making a title. I don't know what to do on I really like working on the one side of the page with my photo and getting that all set up, but then finding something to do on the other side is really stumping me lately. And so I thought, well, what if I just printed something out quick and sweet, and then I don't have to struggle with that. Anyway, this was a very quick video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.